Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make almond milk from scratch. If you want to learn, stick around. So, just before we start off the video, I know there's quite a few of you out there who might be lactose intolerant, and because of that, you tend to use other alternatives to milk such as almond milk, oat milk, flax milk. I particularly love almond milk, and I also love flax milk. Come to think of it, I like them all. Oat milk, flax milk, and almond milk. And I've come to realize that I can make my own almond milk at home, and it's a lot more delicious than what you buy in the supermarket. Not to mention, it's even less expensive to make your own almond milk. So today, to make almond milk, I'm going to be using a cup of raw almonds, of course unsalted, and it's been soaked for a couple of hours. Now, two things. You can soak this overnight and then use it the following morning, or you don't have to soak it at all, as well as you can soak it for just a couple of hours, maybe 5-6 hours if you like. I've done it all three ways and it turns out pretty good every single time. So I have here today 1 cup of almonds that has been soaked. So I'm just gonna put them in the blender. Got a blender, and I've got here 3 cups of water. I don't know if you can see it, but let me see. So 3 cups of bottled water. Pour that in. And then you put the lid on and you blend. Now here's the thing. I know some of you like almond milk that's sweetened. If you want your almond milk to be sweetened, you can do it 2 ways. You can either sweeten it with sugar at the end of the blending and straining process, or you can put a couple of dates in here, maybe 2 or 3. They're quite sweet if you like it sweet, or just 1 date depending on how sweet you want it to be, and you blend it with the almond, and then you'll get the sweetness. I particularly don't add any sugar to my almond milk because I use it most of the time in a shake, and usually when I make a shake I use dates to sweeten my shake. So we have the 1 cup of almonds that has been soaked and 3 cups of filtered water or bottled water. Then we just want to blend it. So you blend that for a couple of minutes until all the almonds are really like crushed up. I think mine is still a little bit big, so I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Okay. Once that's all blended, you then want to remove the lid. You want to strain that. Now today I'm going to be straining it with just a large strainer, but you can strain this also with a cheesecloth. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use what I have. Don't force yourself. So pour that into there. Use a spoon or a spatula, but a spoon is fine. And you can squeeze squeeze the rest of it out so I can get everything out. And what remains in here is really almond meal. And if you go to the grocery store, you'd actually see that almond flour is quite expensive. So there are other recipes that you can actually make out of almond meal, but we're not going to do that today. But here you are, beautiful cup of almond milk, very lovely. And you can see here how nice and creamy it is on top. And I guarantee you this will taste like real almonds as opposed to what you buy in the grocery store. And as I said before, if you're someone who likes your almond milk to be on the sweeter side, you can add some sugar to this, or you can add some dates if you want to be on the healthier side. It'll also be very nicely sweetened. And I particularly like adding vanilla extract to my almond whenever I make my shakes. So if you wanted to do that, you can add some vanilla extract to this, or if you want chocolate almond milk, you can add a spoon of cocoa and some sugar, some dates. Either way, it'll make a delicious drink. So that was it for today, guys. How to make almond milk from scratch. Do hope that you enjoyed this video, and of course, look out for more coming up on my channel next week. Ciao for now.